You're going to love the 2013 Honda Civic Coupe. This two-door, five-passenger coupe will allow you to take command of the road with confidence. Honda made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as delay-off headlights, a trip computer, and much more. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.